the election just 26 days away, and the rhetoric is heating up around Measure 29, which would legalize recreational marijuana in South Dakota.
You'll recall a similar measure passed in 2020 before being struck down by the state Supreme Court a year later, and a similar measure failed in 2022. Tonight, one side is calling out the other for claims that are being made in a commercial. John Gaskins in studio with our 5:30 top story tonight. John.
Brian, Matthew Schweik is the president of South Dakotans for Better Marijuana Laws, leading the charge for Measure 29. He claims a 15-second ad produced by Protecting South Dakota Kids is demonstrably false and deceptive, and is calling on the opposing group to take down the ad. Take a look.
Measure 29 would only make things worse. It wouldn't just legalize marijuana. It'd cultivate a whole new generation of meth, fentanyl, and opioid abusers.
Schweik says that many voters who see this ad in digital form on Facebook or streaming platforms like Hulu Plus will see them without sound and will only see this: Measure 29, meth, fentanyl, opioid abusers.
The intent of this ad is obvious. It is intended to deceive South Dakota voters into thinking that Measure 29 legalizes or decriminalizes hard drugs.
The president of Protecting South Dakota Kids denies this intent.
We didn't put it on a soundless medium. We used a medium that has sound, and so we can't be responsible for everything that could possibly happen with the information that we share.
Schweik has urged Protecting South Dakota Kids to take down the ad.
I'm here to urge our opponents to hold themselves to a very basic level of honesty. However, based on their behavior during this campaign, I do not expect them to do the right thing. They seem incapable of resisting the urge to lie to voters in order to maintain prohibition.
But I think Mr. Swipe is stretching, and I think he gave you an excuse to have free media. I find it really entertaining that the marijuana industry is fact-checking us.
Both sides see a bigger picture beyond Schweik's contesting of this ad.
He's complaining about the group setting off a firecracker when he's dropping a bomb, a huge bomb.
That bomb, Ed Moses says, is the consequences of legal marijuana. The bigger picture for Schweik is this.
As a state, as a country, we cannot just give up on the idea of facts in our democracy, in our political system. It seems we're on a downward spiral right now.
Now, Kenyon says his group will not pull the ad. Schweik believes the ad in question is a violation of FCC law and will write letters to TV stations that air it, asking them to take it down. But he will not file a lawsuit, saying he does not want to be at war with TV stations. Brian?
John Gaskins tonight. John, thank you.